Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Bravikla inkalakatha yebhakaniya. Yebhakaniya kancane. Sosekancane sizwe. Ngithi uBravik webhakaniya.
Babumtu ngiyabonga. To be honest, you know what? This happened to me in the midweek. It was Wednesday, and people were celebrating as if they've won the league, forgetting that they need to prepare for the game against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes,
even
very big team.
Yeah, very big team, and even the players forgot to go to practice. This was proven today here when they played. They were celebrating instead of training. Then when they went for celebration, they forgot that they still have got to play Kaizer Chiefs. So I'm saying congratulations, Kaizer Chiefs. I won't speak too much, Mr. Mtuma, because as it is now, I'm still drawing with with Richards Bay, but I know my boys will pull the rabbit out of the pit, and they will make sure that they win today.
So is Sundowns winning today? Are you sure?
100% Sundowns is winning. Come the end of 90 minutes, check the score, you will see who will be on top of the log.
I'm watching, but I'm scared. Richards Bay, big teams do not come out today. It's very difficult to win against Richards Bay.
There's a difference between big teams and the Monster of Africa. So the big teams are from Soweto. The Monster of Africa is from Pretoria. So we play different football. So when I tell you that we will win today, the Richard boys will know that the Pretoria boys are here. They are coming to take what is theirs. Yes.
But isikorele Sundowns 1-0.
Siyabonga mase kwenzekile lokho, siyabonga impela. Yeke ngikuchazela Mthungu ukuthi hawo khuleka wena.
Manje wawina iSundowns makuthiwa isikorele wasekujabula lo. Wasekujabula lo.
Ngizojabula ngoba namhlanje bengizodisturb.
Phela kufanele ajabule.
Akaqede ngizofaka Nkosi.
Kufanele ajabule Mthungu. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi irase ebisilanga ngaphandle angazi ababhakaniye ukuthi kanjani. Asikwazanga nokulala ngolwesithathu. Ungathi nje hawo phelile ngeleague. Kodwa namhlanje yezwa nje sekuthule la FNB kumnandi. Kumnandi ezweni. Kujabulisa.
Ngiyabonga Bravik. Ngiyabonga.